Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have another video. Today we're going to show you how to basically swap between the old FTC and the new FTC, right? So first things first, you want to make sure you have downloaded the latest version 3.05, okay? Now after you have done this, you would come to wallets, right? You come to wallets, maybe you're asking why the new announcements. You want to come to the announcement section and read the notice from FTC where they speak about this new coin that has been released and all the different things and reasons as to why they have created this new contract. So you come to wallet, then on the wallet you first want to go to next to assets, the plus sign in the circle. Click in there. In the search at the top, type FTC and then turn on all the FTCs in your wallet. Turn all of them on, okay? Turn all of them on. Once you turn all of them on, you hit done and you go back, all right? So now that you go back, you're going to see that you have FTC. The gray one represents the old FTC, right? And then the green one represents the new FTC. So we want to exchange the old one that we have, which is not going to be used for all the new services of FinTalk, to the new one. So we have the gray one, and that's the one if you have any FTC already that you had purchased through PancakeSwap, it would be in the gray one. So we go to swap, not swap trading, but swap. When you go to swap, you would then press the arrow, up and down arrow in the left middle corner, in the left, right? And so now you have FTC, the green one at the top, but you want the gray color, the ash gray color. So you click on this, and then you scroll through the list and you see the gray one. So you click on the gray one, right? So now you want to convert the gray one into FTC thin, okay? So we want to convert the gray FTC BEP 20 to FTC fin. So here you're gonna put the amount and then click on local wallet, okay? Local wallet. Then you're gonna click on swap, right? So here might as well just do, for this we're gonna do the full amount, but I always usually just leave a very tiny bit, right? So we click on swap, next, and then we're gonna input the password, right? So it's just a dummy password, but you input the password, right? And after inputting the password, you will click on swap, right? So after clicking on swap, your FTC BEP20 will be converted to FTC fin. Then after you convert the FTC BEP20 to FTC fin, then you would now go back from FTC fin, and then you will convert it to the green FTC BEP20, which is the new contract, right? New contract. So once you do that, then you would put in local wallet, right? Then you would hit on swap, put in your password, and then once you're done, you would have the new FTC BEP20, the new contract, inside your wallet. So that's the steps.